How to find the best Wix discount code. So all you have to do is just to open up any web browser that you prefer to use, and you keep in mind that this method I'm going to be showing you is going to be working on both devices, which means this will also work by using your mobile phone. So just head directly to your preferred web browser, and we will be visiting a specific site called couponfollow.com. This specific website is giving us certain amount of discounts that we can use for free on available platforms that this site offers. Now once you're here, just head directly to search for store and type in Wix or Wix. Just click on Wix. Now before you go back and build a website on Wix.com, you can go ahead and visit this site here first. Now, once you already have an option in mind, just simply click on this highlight blue link right here that says show coupon code for you to have access with the special characters of the code. Now, once you have copied it, just go back to the Wix.com site and use the code that you have from Coupon Follow. So that's it. That's how easy you can find the best Wix discount promo code.